Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. What I have here is, yeah, the picture in the bag should give it away, right? And I have yet to take it. I think I owned it for a year. And I have yet to even take it out of the bag. But what I'm looking for is a tent that I can carry on my kayak with me. Now this feels kind of heavy, so I'm wondering what's in here. So let's see if I can put this thing together. So the way it was coming from the box, this might be pretty nice. Lightweight. Got these strings, and I've got to hide these from Charlie because Charlie will chew them. That's Charlie. You want me to prove it to you? This is the rain fly. These are the poles. Okay. 4 stakes. Get out of here, Cole. Get out of here. Get. Go, baby. Go, baby. Okay. I told you. This is what I have. And just remember, I've never done this before. So this is my first attempt at putting a tent together. And yes, I'm in the house. And look at the space in there. A 2-person tent or cat. Okay, so there's the mesh at the top so I can look at the stars. When we get inside, we don't wear our shoes inside the tent. Okay. So let me try the rain fly on it. Ta-da! That's my tent. I can do better than that I'll learn as I go kind of thing. But I'm going to go ahead and fold this back up, and I know it'll be better when I get it outside and can stake it in. But wow, that's great space. I don't know if this is typical or it's based on lack of experience, but I got the tent back in. I couldn't get the stakes and the poles back in. But in the meantime, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. But my goal is to learn. I like this tent, and it's going to be great for kayaking, kayak camping, yak packing, or just going out and camping near a lake. I have in mind a few places I'd like to go. Anyway, I'm just getting this camping thing started, but this is what I have.